What's up, guys? This is Betty Rocker from thebettyrocker.com, and I'm going to make a green smoothie for lunch, and I thought I'd share my recipe with you because you might like to know it. It's a really good one. It's one I've been calling the Chia Chai Warrior Smoothie, and I call it that because I put chia seeds into it, and if you're not familiar with chia seeds, this is what they look like, and they're these amazing little seeds that are just packed full of nutrients. It's really kind of cool. Ancient Aztec warriors used to be able to eat a tablespoon of these and just be able to have energy for hours at a time. They have this wonderful absorbent quality, so they'll actually make you feel full for a longer period of time. They'll also, when they go through your system, they'll help take some of the toxic stuff right out of your digestive system. So they're a wonderful food to include in your smoothies. So what I'm going to put in my smoothie today is I'm actually going to soak these. I'm going to soak a tablespoon of these chia seeds in about a cup of almond milk, and you can see here I've already got that started. You could use another kind of milk. You could use whole milk. You could use hemp milk, rice milk, whatever you like. I'm using almond milk, unsweetened. To make it the chai blend, I like to blend different spices into my green smoothies to kind of give it a really unique, delicious flavor. So today I'm going to be using a little combination of nutmeg, cardamom, and cinnamon. And they just taste really good together for me. I'm just going to be using a little bit of fruit. I've got a pear, I've got just 5 strawberries, and a half of one of these little mini like Tangelo oranges things. I'm going to pop in like 1 scoop of this raw protein powder to give it a little protein boost. Doesn't really have much flavor. And then of course I'm going to be using some greens, some kale. If I had a little cucumber or parsley, I'd throw that in too, but I just happen to have these guys in the fridge today, so this is what we're going to use. So let's put this thing together. Little combo of my 2 kales. I'll do my, chop up my pear. There we go, I'm gonna throw that right in the blender. Strawberries. And you can either just squeeze this guy or you can peel it and put the whole thing in. I'm gonna squeeze it to get all that delicious juice because we've got plenty of fiber from these other fruits and veggies that we've got in here. I just like to add that extra burst of citrus flavor to almost all of my green smoothies. Lemon, orange, something really adds extra vitamin C and antioxidants. Bam! Next, let's put in the protein powder. And like I said, I'm just going to do a scoop of this raw protein. This is great because it's made from sprouted plant protein, which is awesome. It absorbs really well in your body. It's delicious. So now I'm just going to add my spices. I'm just going to go for a small amount. I'm just doing like a little bit less than a 1/4 teaspoon of the cardamom. Cardamom's a really strong spice. Absolutely love the smell and the flavor. I'll do about a solid heaping 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Nutmeg's got some neat benefits. It will make you more mentally alert, which is one of the reasons I like having it in my warrior smoothie. And then I'm going to do a pretty heaping 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon will really help regulate your blood sugar, and it's got a lot of other really great benefits. So let's put this soaked chia awesomeness into the smoothie. So you can see how it's sort of made a gel, and that's what it will do. Chia is incredibly absorbent, like I was telling you. So I've just gone ahead and let it absorb a little bit into some of the almond milk. And this looks like it needs just a little bit more liquid, so I'm just going to add a little bit of water to it, and we'll blend it. All right, so there we go. Now I've got a little challenge for myself while I'm blending this green smoothie. I'm going to do burpees until it's done blending because it's a warrior green smoothie after all. Let's make sure we feel strong and awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and push play, and then I'm going to start doing burpees. All right?
whole green smoothie yourself, but it's completely appropriate for 2 people. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour it into 2 glasses, one for me and one for you. Whew, and that's it. All right, remember, be strong, be awesome, drink green smoothies. Here's to your health. Oh. Boom. Be sure to get more of my awesome green smoothie recipes on thebettyrocker.com and check out the fuel system that has 2 unique green smoothie recipes a week in my complete healthy eating guide. Have a great day. See you later.